guys ready? Wait. We got both the same lawnmowers. Everybody ready to go? Are you ready? Ready, set, go! Go! Oh! Brendan's going on the outside. Oh no, we're gonna crash. Oh no. He's going down the... You gotta stay in the driveway, dude. Oh no, here we go. Here we go, we're racing. Who's winning? Exact same. Oh, he's turning and he's showing it. Go, 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 go. 45 laps. We got 5 laps. Oh, I think Brendan's winning. Oh no. Here we go. Oh, go, go, go. Oh, Brendan's winning. Go, go, go. I think Brendan's winning. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh, Brendan, what'd you do? Go, go, go. Oh, Chase right on the outside. Brendan's on the inside. There we go. That's number 2. Go, 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 go. Oh no, what happened? Chase passed him. Oh no, Brenden, go, go, go. Oh no, it's all over. Chase is winning. Brendan's on the outside. Go, go, go. It's number 3. Oh, go, go, go. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Go, go, go. Oh, go, Brenden. You gotta stay on the track. Dude, don't go in the grass. Brenden, in the grass. Track. Brendan's trying to cheat. Oh, no. He's trying to cut him off. Oh, no, we're gonna hit. Oh, cut him off. What is he doing? Dude, what are you doing? Go. What are you doing? Dude, I'm gonna have to drive these. I gotta race somebody now. Go, go, go! No, go that way! Oh, stopping. You guys are done. Alright, I'm gonna race somebody. 5 laps. Whoa, watch out, you guys are gonna crash. Hold on, stop. Alright, I'm racing. Ready? Here we go.